Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to explore some of nature's most intriguing mysteries. From the glowing depths of the ocean to the whispering canopies of ancient forests, nature holds secrets that continue to baffle and inspire us. Join me as we delve into the wonders of the natural world. Our first stop takes us to the mesmerizing phenomenon of bioluminescence. Have you ever seen the ocean glow at night? This magical display is caused by bioluminescent organisms like plankton and certain species of jellyfish. These creatures produce light through chemical reactions within their bodies, creating a spectacular natural light show. Bioluminescence can serve various purposes, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, or luring prey. It's a perfect example of how nature combines beauty with functionality. Next, we travel to the polar regions to witness the breathtaking northern lights, or aurora borealis. This dazzling light display is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's magnetic field. The result is a vibrant array of colors, ranging from green to pink to violet, lighting up the night sky. The science behind this phenomenon is as fascinating as the display itself, involving solar winds, magnetic fields, and atmospheric gases. The northern lights remind us of the cosmic dance happening above our heads every day. Scene transitions to a dense forest with sunlight filtering through the leaves. Did you know that trees can communicate? Deep within our forests, a hidden network known as the Wood Wide Web allows trees to share resources and information. Through a symbiotic relationship with fungi, trees can exchange nutrients and even send distress signals to warn neighboring trees of pests or diseases. This underground network challenges our perception of trees as solitary beings and reveals a complex, interconnected community thriving beneath our feet. Imagine walking through a forest, not realizing that beneath the soil lies an intricate web of life, working silently to maintain the health and balance of the ecosystem. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of plant behavior and the importance of preserving these ancient woodlands. Scene transitions to a sweeping view of migrating birds and animals. Migration is another astonishing mystery of nature. Every year, millions of animals embark on epic journeys across continents and oceans. How do birds navigate thousands of miles without getting lost? How do salmon return to the exact river where they were born? Scientists are still uncovering the mechanisms behind these incredible feats. It's believed that animals use a combination of environmental cues, magnetic fields, and even the stars to guide them. Migration showcases the incredible adaptability and instinctual intelligence of the animal kingdom. Picture a flock of birds flying in perfect V formation, or a herd of wildebeest thundering across the savanna, driven by ancient migratory patterns encoded in their very being. These journeys are fraught with danger and challenge, yet they continue year after year, a testament to the resilience and determination of these species. Scene transitions to an underwater view of coral reefs. Coral reefs are among the most diverse ecosystems on Earth, but they're facing a mysterious and devastating phenomenon known as coral bleaching. When water temperatures rise, corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white and, if prolonged, die. This not only threatens the corals but also the countless marine species that depend on them. Scientists are racing against time to understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change on these vital underwater habitats. Coral bleaching is a stark reminder of the delicate balance within our ecosystems and the urgent need to protect our planet. Imagine diving into a once vibrant reef, now ghostly and pale, a silent warning of the impacts of human activity on our oceans. The loss of coral reefs would not only devastate marine biodiversity but also affect the livelihoods of millions of people who depend on them. Scene transitions back to the forest. The host stands with a serene smile. Nature is full of mysteries that captivate our curiosity and deepen our appreciation for the world around us. From glowing seas and cosmic light shows to the secret lives of trees and epic animal migrations, these phenomena remind us of the incredible complexity and beauty of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the wonders of nature. Share your thoughts and any nature mysteries you find fascinating in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious,